Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at 246 Blue Heron Lake Circle, located in the community of Aberdeen in Ormond Beach, Florida. Walking up the carport here, it has beautiful argyle pattern. Straight ahead is your storage shed. Plenty of storage space. Go in and check this place out. Stepping inside here, straight ahead is your bonus room, office space area, whichever you'd like. This home does need some new carpet or new flooring, but other than that, this place is great. Right here to the left is your first bedroom. Nice sized closet. Over here to the right is your laundry room. Right here is your first bath, full-size tub. Right here is your master, a full-length closet. Through here is your ensuite, plenty of storage. Double vanity. Walk-in shower. Straight back down the hall here. Kitchen, nice white appliances, flat top stove, huge living room. This home is over 1,700 square feet. Right out back there is the lake. Doesn't get much better than this. And right out here is your Florida room. Straight on back to your patio. So come on down, check this one out. It is 246 Blue Heron Lake Circle, located in the community of Aberdeen in Ormond Beach, Florida.